Hello class 5th student, we continue our story in a part 2. After falling down the Ruchi, Sona came towards her grandfather towards her. Then what's going on? Just we read. Are you okay? Shouted Sona as she jumped off the swings and came over to where Ruchi was standing. Shouted Sona. What thing she shouted? Are you okay? तुम ठीक हो? And she jumped off the swings. She come from his swing and came over to where Ruchi was standing. And she come where the Ruchi was standing. That should not be left on the ground. I almost got hurt, cried Ruchi. What the Ruchi said? Ruchi said, just I am going to hurt, almost hurt. Why these things are not should be left on the ground? What things? Just like the crushed soda cane. Means overall we can say the dirt, the garbage should not be left over in the park. She just want to say. Why would someone just leave a can on the ground like that? Why does someone leave this empty can on the ground like that? Who is asking this? Ruchi asking this. She picked up the can just as her grandfather caught up with her. Are you all right, Ruchi? Grandfather asked out of beneath from hurrying to reach her. You could have really hurt yourself. Means as the grandfather is far away from the Ruchi, he coming to her and out of beneath half the way, gasping of air, just like after the running we feel this. Okay, our breaths are so fast. Okay, so grandfather come and say to the Ruchi, you could really hurt yourself. तुम खुद को सच में hurt कर सकती थी. Ruchi picked up the can just as grandfather caught up with her. Okay. As the grandfather came to her, she just picked that can. And grandfather asked, are you all right, Ruchi? Now, Ruchi answered, I am okay, but I don't understand why the soda can was just left on the ground like that. Ruchi said, I am okay, but I don't understand. I don't know. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Why this empty soda can was just left on the ground like that? Who did they think was going to clean up after them? The trees. Sona added. Ruchi's agreed. Means who did they think was going to clean up after them? Means Ruchi said for those persons who left their garbage in the park, and she want to ask who will clean after them. Who will clean that after them? Her friend Sona added the trees. Just like a comment. कौन साफ करेगा इसको? पेड़ पौधे. And Ruchi also agreed with the Sona's comment. Don't they know that nature only take cares of the things that nature makes? Don't they know means वो नहीं जानते that nature only take cares of the things that nature makes. The things which are made by the nature can take care only that things. People make soda cans, so people should take care of them. And who make the soda cans? People make. So people should take care of that can. Grandfather handed Ruchi the empty canvas bag he had brought to the park. Put the can in here. We will take care of it. Now grandfather gave that bag who he bring with him and said to the Ruchi that and said to the Ruchi that put this can in that bag. We take care of it, but we did not leave it here. Who said this thing? रुचि said thing कि we did not leave it here. हमने इसे यहाँ नहीं छोड़ा है. Why should we clean up someone else mess? Why we should clean that mess which is, or the mess means dirt, garbage. Why should we clean that garbage or the dirt which left out by another one, not us, not by us? Ruchi complained this thing. Okay, no one clean ups my room for me. Nobody will clean my room for me. Who uses your bedroom, Ruchi? Grandfather asked gently. Means now grandfather politely asked to the Ruchi, who uses your bedroom? I do, Ruchi replied. It's my bedroom. So Ruchi replied that it is my bedroom. I am using that. So if you are the person who uses your bedroom, grandfather continue, who should be responsible for keeping it neat and clean? Now grandfather cautioned to the Ruchi that if you use your bedroom, then who is responsible to clean it? Now Ruchi replied, me. I am responsible. That's right. You use your room, so you are responsible for it. Agreed, grandfather. Now who used the park? Now grandfather again asked to the Ruchi, who uses the park? Ruchi thought about this for a moment. Ruchi thought about it for a while, then say, I do. She thought again. First he replied, I do, means I am using this park. Now she thought again and corrected herself. Now she corrected herself and think about it again and then say, I mean we do, कि मेरा मतलब है हम सब. Only you, only us, asked grandfather. Now grandfather asked, only you या only us, क्या तुम बस या हम सब? Look around. Sona chimed in. Lot of people use the park. Now after seeing around, Sona chimed in. Lots of people use the park. Now within in a agreement means after seeing all around the park, she looked most of the pupils are using that park. There is lots of people in the park. The word chime means with, be in agreement with, means within a agreement. After seeing, she agreed this thing that lot of people use that park. Right, Shona? And when lots of people share the use of something, it's called a public property. Now grandfather tells the Sona that when lots of people share the use of something means a single thing which is used by lots of pupils is called a public property. So the park is a public property, Ruchi asked. So Ruchi asked to her grandfather that, so the park is a public property? Yes, grandfather replied to Ruchi that it is a public property. Then we are all responsible for the public property because they are the place and things that we all use, Ruchi stated. Means now Ruchi said this thing that now we all are responsible for the public property because they are the place and thing that we all are use, because this is a place or a thing which we all used, that's why we all are responsible for this. Exactly, said grandfather. Means now grandfather said this, that exactly, now you understand, अब तुम समझ गई हो. Okay, so since we are enjoying the park, we should help to keep it clean. So since we are enjoying the park, so should help to keep it clean. We all are enjoying in the park, so we all help it to clean. Ruchi dropped the can into the bag. Now Ruchi drop that soda can in that particular bag. Turned to Sona and said, and after turning to Sona, she said, let's swing. चलो झूलने चलते हैं. And off they ran to the swing, and they both are ran towards the swings. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.